Hey everyone, I hope everyone's been well and staying out of trouble. It's been a heck of a few weeks to say the least, coming into 2021, and I've been a little busy. But I did want to kick out this video on the rescues from the field of the Dodge Chargers. I hope you all enjoy it. It was one of the highlights of 2020 with everything going on, so it was definitely a experience to say the least. And then after that, I'm planning on doing a whole bunch more videos here, possibly one a week for about a month with a bunch of cool cars. So let me know what you think in the comments below. Thanks and enjoy. Okay, here we are in Missouri, pulling out a whole bunch of Dodge Chargers from the yard. And we've already pulled two out. I'll get some videos of them here in a bit, but this is the next one. And should be pretty good. Here's the 69. We just pulled it out of right there where it's set for, how long were they sitting for?
85. I think since 85, 86.
85, 86. 69 Dodge Charger, 3D3 air-conditioned car.
That's 318.
318? I thought you said it was a 3D3 one, Seth. Oh, the red one's a 3D3. My bad. Oh, this is just so cool. Alright, I'm out of your way. And there's the other two that they've already somewhat pulled out. There's my beater. Alright, well it started raining now. Here's the car, this 1969 Dodge Charger RT. We just pulled it out of the field.
Want a neat picture?
What's that?
Well, this, here, I'll show you where this thing.
Oh, where the Dana's in the mud?
The muffler's in the mud?
Yeah. It's a 440 4-speed Dana car. See the remains of the stripe.
Stop.
Taking a rear end still.
Is there an Orscheln store?
Orscheln? I've never Orscheln.
Yeah, Orscheln. Like a hard.
There we go. Pulling the 69 out.
There was one at Perryville.
Oh yeah.
I think there is still one in Perryville.
Jason's in the way, of course. Always in the way. All right, 1969 Dodge Charger, sunroof car, 3D3. The back's got a completely different white wall.
Cool.
Uh-huh.
I can actually get a long enough chain that can probably pull you. Or we could use Brian's truck actually.
Pull it up on there.
Whoops, sorry, man.
Hey Brian.
Original sunroof car.
Jackknifed in Ryan's truck. And having Brian pulling this car straight up on
The front end. No, you're good, man.
I've been busy doing all the grunt work.
All right, well, we're trying to break the front wheel loose, or he is, so we can roll it on a smaller trailer. That one basically was all loose. This is the, was it T6 bronze? T5 bronze sunroof car. That's a green 69 Charger RT and F8 green 440 4-speed Dana. And then that's where they were sitting. That's a 318 LeBaron. And then here, let's go walk over to the other Chargers. Kids popping out everywhere. And I got this 69 Charger, 318 car, but air conditioned. And then here's a 68 that had rolled over, 3D3. You can still see it's in there, but it rolled. But still got the stripes on it.
He's got a little heater up underneath there.
Oh yeah.
That is cool.
Just rip
They
it
got the
off.
front end loose and actually cranked it up.
Baby now. Yeah. You want it? Alright, so
A little muddy. So what are you doing exactly? You got to strap down the rear axle, but what are you pulling out?
Pulling out what's left of the gas tank.
Oh,
This is it.
wow!
Yeah.
That's crazy.
This is the trunk pan coming down.
That's the trunk pan coming down.
This is the other side of the gas tank.
That's crazy.
And there's a little bit left of the frame rail, but not much. You get up in there, do what?
My friends spent all day basically pulling those chargers out of their muddy graves, eventually to be rescued and move on to future owners, thankfully. But we weren't done yet. We went to the property owner's other location where they had an old shop, which we believe was an old stable for horses. It eventually became a repair shop for cars and that sold gas. The entire interior was full of all sorts of vintage gas stations items and a few old cars, like that Terraplane. There was a 79, I believe. Yeah, it was a 79 Dodge Little Red Express truck and a Ford Thunderbird. Most of the things in this building were going up for auction in late 2020. Other than a few pieces we were able to secure. And after this, we all loaded up, went and had some lunch, and then headed back to the yard to unload the chargers for the future. Alright, here we go. First one coming off the trailer. 68 Charger. Whoa!
Lost the rail.
Alright, well, we got it off the trailer. Most of it. Oh, dog's got something on. Alright, here comes Charger number 2. The starter just fell off. The starter just fell off the engine. That's how rusty.
it was hanging when we drug it off.
Oh, was it? Okay. Just wanted to do a quick overview of the 69 Charger RT 440 4-speed car with the Dana rear axle assembly, because this is now in a full restoration and I'll post an update as soon as I get it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video on my friends rescuing those Dodge Chargers from their muddy graves. Thankfully, all the cars are being restored currently. I personally am in contact with 2 of the owners, so that's really great to see. And plenty more is coming up here on the channel, so please subscribe, share, and like the content, because there's going to be a lot more coming up here in the near future.